Brief description: the surveyor is a specialist in the field of space metrics, its measurement and data logging. The main responsibilities of a specialist in this field are survey of the area using geodesic devices, analysis of the results, carrying out the necessary calculations on the basis of which a map of the research area will be made. History of the profession: the development of the profession of surveyor took place in parallel with the development of the corresponding science of geodesy. The first analogs of geodesic logs were recorded in the 7th century BC in Babylon and Assyria. Calculations were presented on clay tablets by special scientists for the purpose of measuring land and mapping areas. Social significance of the profession in society: the social significance of the surveyor is to calculate the area allocated for construction. Accuracy of analysis and thoroughness in detail are the two main points of qualitative assessment of the territory. In a broad sense, the construction of any object begins with a geodesic measurement of the territory, and from this point of view, it's the surveyor who is responsible for the safety of the future building. Mass character and uniqueness of the profession: the profession of a surveyor is unique and currently quite rare. In addition to on-site calculations, the surveyor also monitors the construction process, taking into account the smallest details, such as, for example, the size of the object planned in the project, and also monitors the exact and perfect compliance with the entire construction rules. During the work, reports and notes are submitted in the form of special documentation, and after completion of construction, the inspector is personally present when the completed object is delivered to the customer. Risks of the profession: constant outdoor work in adverse weather conditions. On the one hand, a virtue can easily turn into a huge disadvantage. In addition, the work of a surveyor often does not have a clearly defined working time, and an irregular working day together with an uneven workload forces the employer to develop patience and train endurance over long distances. The third significant drawback is the heavy equipment of measuring instruments, which is not always suitable for female surveyors. Where to get a profession? You can get a profession in geodesy at the universities of geodesy and cartography, or at other universities. For example, Kazakh National University, named after Al-Farabi.